guys, it's Lindsay Ann. I wanted to pop in with a quick little announcement to kick off my first little mini series here on the channel and welcome you guys to Lindsay Ann Bakes Pie Week! From the best ever pie crust to my favorite pie flavors to totally show-stopping decorations. I don't know if you guys have seen those crazy elaborate pie decorations on the internet lately, but since it's the holiday season, I've totally shifted gears from cake and cupcake decorating, and I've really been getting into pie decorating. You guys, it's so much fun, and it's crazy how you can take simple pie crust and layer it and braid it and create different shapes and cutouts to create these totally show-stopping, over-the-top pie creations. So get ready, because every day this week, every day, I'm gonna be sharing a new pie recipe for you guys. We're starting with the best ever easy pie crust, and then we're gonna be getting into the good stuff and doing all the classics and all the most requested pies. We're doing everything from apple pie to pumpkin pie, lemon meringue pie, cherry pie, chocolate cream pie, because let's be real, I couldn't go a whole week without doing something chocolate. But I'm gonna give you guys step-by-step instructions on how to make all the pies and how to decorate them all fancy for the holidays. So you guys can hop on over to the channel every day to see a new pie recipe, or you can just save them all for the end of the week and then just binge watch the entire mini series. So I hope you guys are excited about this as I am. I had so much fun putting them together and getting all creative and coming up with all the different decorations that I think you guys are totally gonna love. But if you wanna see more compilations like this for Christmas or for any other holidays, like Cookie Week or whatever, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see for my next mini series. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap that little bell so you can get the notifications whenever a new video is posted so you don't miss them. And I think that's it. All right guys, I'll see you right here tomorrow and every day next week for a new recipe for Pie Week. And yeah, see you then. Bye guys. Okay guys, so I'm doing my first ever mini series on my YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing Pie Week just in time for the holidays. So every day this week, a new pie recipe. This is apple. I've already eaten a giant chunk out of it. It was so good. But they're not just any old pies, you guys. We're decorating them like super fancy. Check this out. You guys, I was so scared putting these in the oven that they would just totally turn into a big mess once they baked. But they came out so pretty and perfect, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. I'm gonna be doing Pie Week on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned.